Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. We are playing today is PKXD. So let's go. Let's just wait and wait and wait and wait. Okay. I'm here now guys. Oh, let's see this. Oh, it's for free now guys. 0 diamonds. Oh, we hatched it guys. Wow, a fire dragon! This is legendary, guys. See that? Fire dragon and legendary. Calm. Wow. We got to use that now, guys. Wow. This is the most happiest day of my life. Let's go to the city. Wait. I forgot. I had a magical book, guys. Oh, I'm so silly, guys. Faster, faster, playground, playground. So, let's go. Let's level up our new fire dragon to level 5, guys. So, where do we go? So, let's just go and go and go and go. Let's work from the pizza shop. Start. So let's go. Maybe later my dog is gonna be tired. So that's it. We're gonna level up to level 5. Oh no! I jumped really hard, guys. Jump. Dance. Not dance. Where's the other? There it is. Only 33, guys? What's wrong with this? Okay. It's almost gonna be level up. Wait. If we go to here, let's put him a hat first. That's nice. So guys, I forgot. We're gonna work until here. Yes, guys, I forgot to tell about you guys, because if you played this if you work in the pizza, if you complete it on the time right there, you will level up your dog, your pets too, guys. So that's why I'm working in the pizza, guys, so I can level up it in he will want to eat or drink or shower, so he will level up again too. So that's much faster, guys. See this? See, I'm really close to level 2, guys. So wait until the end. So guys, I said to the first video, I'm a beginner. So watch how many dogs I have. Pets I have. 1 dog and 1 fire dragon. The nicer I had the fire dragon, guys, because he is legendary. Legendary, guys. Look, where is the legendary? See this? Reality, legendary. See that? Oh, he's thirsty. He's thirsty, guys. Sorry about that. Faster. We got to get him water. Oh, he just drinking. Okay. Hello, is this for free, guys? I don't know, but that's okay. Even I can pay for it because I love my fire dragon and my dog. See that? He is level 2, guys. So, oh no. Last, maybe one work or two work in the pizza. Maybe I'm gonna level 3 my fire dragon, guys. Wow, what is this? Ice rabbit? That's Manix. No, guys. Start again. And you will get some coins too. Because I complete all the levels on the pizza, so I cannot. The coins only I can get is 33. Because all coins them ran out. Oh, that's kidding. Why does their coins will run out? What they will give to me? I'm so silly, guys. Jump. The new update is the pyramid. That's the pyramid, guys, right there. Where is she? See, guys, 33. Oh, last one, guys. Last work in level 3 iPad. So faster. Jump in the line. Let's start. Run. After this, guys, I'm gonna show you what I said earlier, that I complete all the level of the pizza thing. Here we go. Let's go, guys. Our fire dragon can catch to us. Oh, she's so fast. She can catch. Faster you can catch. And see that? He is level 3 now, guys. See? Level up and press. Wow, he is so nice and cute. No, guys, so that's 2 level. We're done for our video. This picture, guys. Let's make them selfie. Okay, this is nice. Wait, not here. First, we make a selfie. Oh, I don't know. Let's just work. Okay. Jumping. That's while dancing. How did the pizza delivery? Running while jumping, guys. So I don't know what I'm doing that. See? I'm dancing well. Jump, guys. Here's waving. Here's the mohawk. With mohawk's hair, guys. I don't know how to get much money because I'm protected on my money, guys. So my money, I want to save them to buy a nice house and my gems too. Guys, guys, look, you can get more surprise boxes tomorrow. Why tomorrow? See this, guys, the 3-star is only 33, guys. Why 33? I didn't know. But when you can get a surprise box, you can get much money too, guys. If you when I can complete that surprise box, I have so many money when I buy them. I buy them. I didn't buy them. When it's so hard. Why it's only 33? I don't know. Oh, it's so close. Just 3 more. Oh, she needs a shower, guys. Yes. It's so slow. There's no way. That girl is purple? No skin is purple in the earth? So guys, let's shower it. Shower. Just wait for it. Maybe he will close to level 5, guys, because I'm gonna want him to look like my dog, max level. Oh, he's level 4 now, guys. So let's maybe 5 of the pizza guy, so we can max level my fire dragon, guys. I'm so silly. Let's go. Wait, did he had earlier the pizza? How many pizza he can eat one day, guys? Oh, maybe he's gonna be fat like me, guys. Jump. Jumping. That's good because I didn't take damage. So that's the girl. That's a black girl. Wow. There's so many ads, guys. Only an inch? Not an inch. A bench? Not a bench. It's only so small, guys. So small. Only. Oh, wow. What is this? It's a big cat. Carry. Can carry. I want to write this. How this? How did he write that? Maybe from the pet shop he get that from his money, because we don't have money, so we cannot buy that. Because if you buy that, you need real money. So support me, guys. If you want, I will buy that. If you support me, please, guys, subscribe to support me to my adventure on my games and let's play wisely. So, guys, please. Later in the end, I will buy another pet pod. Another pet pod, guys. If that max level, we're gonna buy it, a pet pod. Faster. I wish I can buy a bike. Okay. Oh no. Oh. I thought nothing. What did he? I thought nothing about that. He carries me. I don't know how did he carries me. Let's go. He has a bike, guys. Look. That's an I forgot. He's right there. I don't see him. There's a baby with a pig. Maybe the pig is his bodyguard, guys. I don't know, but maybe. Oh. Run for your life. Run. Oh, we had a raccoon, guys. Raccoon. Another level. Last 3 more, guys. 3 more. Oh, he wants to eat, guys. Maybe he will level up if he eats. Yes, level 5. Yes, oh, he had a wings, guys. Wow, he had a wings. Look at my dog, guys. Where? See that? He had a wings. Hey. So, guys, what I said to you, I'm in the last. I will buy a pet pod. So, where's the pet pod? This. Maybe I'm gonna get I want the white shark and the panda and the mallard duck. Winter dog. I don't like the silk cat and the gray cockatoo. I like the snow owl and the dalmata. So let's buy one pet pot. 11 hours, guys. So to our last, let's make an selfie for real. Look. Watch here and selfie. Oh, he didn't look, guys. Again. Why he didn't look? Let's count in his card. Again. Yay, he face. So guys, goodbye. See you in the next video.